Have you ever stayed quiet about your opinion because you were afraid of being judged, criticized, or even excluded? And that is the spiral of silence theory.
The spiral of silence theory was proposed by a German political scientist, Elisabeth L. Neumann, in 1970s.
It explains why people sometimes choose to stay silent instead of expressing their opinions, especially when they think their views are unpopular against the majority.
People have a fear of isolation. They don't want to be rejected, ridiculed, or left out by others. Because of this, they often observe their surroundings to see which opinions are widely accepted.
If they sense that their opinion is not popular, they will stay quiet to avoid conflict and criticism.
Meanwhile, people with a majority opinion continue to speak confidently, dominate the discussion.
As a result, the minority voices disappear and the majority opinion grows together. This ongoing process is called the spiral of silence. Sino kayang puboto ko?
Anak, labas ka na dyan at kakain na tayo.
Ang kanyang kinakampanya naman ay nakasentro naman sa kabataan, Rona. Minumungkahi ni Rodriguez ang pagpapalawak ng mga programa pagkatapos ng klase upang magbigay ng ligtas at kapaki-pakinabang na kapaligiran para sa mga kabataan. Bukod pa rito, balak na bumuo ng isang Youth Advisory Council na titiyak na maririnig ang mga boses ng kabataan sa lokal na pamamahala. Naniniwala siya na ang pamunuan sa kabataan ay sa esensya pamumuhunan sa kinabukasan ng ating lungsod.
Ay nako, may bagong kandidato na naman na lumaban sa kandidato ko. Eh hindi naman mananalo to, ito pa rin ang iboboto namin eh.
Oo, kasi mas marami siyang nagawa sa bansa natin o sa bayan. Mas maganda ang plataforma niya compared dun sa isa.
Tsaka kung iisipin, malabong manalo tong bagong kandidato na to. At yung dating kandidato, kilala na to dati pa eh.
Oo nga, kasi yan, bago pa lang yan, wala pa siyang napapatunayan. Hindi katulad nung una nating kandidato sinusuportahan, mas magaling yan.
Kaya nga. O ikaw anak, first time mo bilang botante. Sino na bang kandidato ang natitipuhan mo?
Kung ako sa'yo anak, gayahin mo kami ng tatay mo. Mas magaling yung napili namin kandidato.
Ay, pasensya na po yun. Sasagutin ko lang ito. Hello? Lori, yung gala natin mamaya ah.
Sige, magpapaalam na ako.
Sige, mamayang 9.
Sige.
Pinakita niyo na ba yung post about sa candidates?
Sige po, here's your order, madam.
Uy, sorry na late ako. Pasensya na ginawang safety.
Sige po ma'am, ano pong order nila?
Ano ba available dito?
Ngayon po,
Batsa bread.
Pachabels po. Ito,
May nakita niyo na ba yung post about sa candidates? Sino ba yung Batsa bread? Ay, si Maria Rodriguez. Ang ganda ng ano lang. Napatawagan nila sa dyan. Ikaw ba rin ka?
hello madam. Here's your order, Pachabels.
Bakit si candidate gusto nila? Bago pa naman siya, di ba?
In the end, Rika never spoke about her true choice. Surrounded by strong opinions from her friends and family, she chose silence. This silence protected her from conflict, but it also hid what she truly believed in.
This is spiral of silence theory. Show us when people fear rejection, they stay quiet, and that silence makes one voice sounds louder than it really is.
I thought staying quiet would make everyone happy. My friends, my family, everyone. But in silence, I lost my own voice. I realized that speaking up doesn't start an argument, but it means choosing honesty over fear.
The story shows how the spiral of silence theory happens. happens in real life. When people stay quiet to avoid isolation, it reminds us that communication isn't just about talking. It's about creating space where every opinion can be heard without fear.